Ever struggled to get that perfect restaurant-quality steak at home? Overcooked edges, dry chicken, or uneven doneness? That's where sous vide comes in. It's a game changer, locking in moisture, flavor, and tenderness by cooking your food at a precise temperature in a water bath. And today, I'm showing you the best sous vide machines that make the process effortless. Let's dive in. First up, the Anova Precision Cooker 2.0, your shortcut to foolproof cooking. Just set the temperature, clip it onto any pot, and let it do its magic. Whether it's steak, chicken, fish, or veggies, this sous vide circulates water at the exact temperature needed for perfect doneness every time. No more guesswork, no more overcooked meals. Plus, the Anova app gives you access to thousands of free recipes and lets you control your cook from anywhere. Water-resistant, powerful, and ridiculously easy to use, this is the sous vide machine for both beginners and pros. Next, we have the Vpcok Direct Sous Vide Machine, built for those who love flavor-packed, perfectly tender meals. It keeps your food at the exact temperature needed, ensuring juicy meats, tender veggies, and nutrient-packed meals every time. And the best part, a smart indicator light system tells you when your water is heating or done cooking. With a 1000-watt motor and 360-degree water circulation, it evenly cooks your food without breaking down its fibers, which means maximum texture and taste. Whether you're making a 5-star steak or the most delicate salmon, this sous vide does all the work for you. Want to control your cooking from anywhere? The Inkbird Wi-Fi sous vide machine lets you do just that. Connect it to the Inkbird Pro app, and boom! You're checking temps and adjusting settings from your phone while binge-watching your favorite show. It's powerful yet whisper quiet, heating up to 20 liters of water while keeping the temperature accurate within 0.1 degrees Celsius. And if you love experimenting in the kitchen, the included recipe book helps you create chef-level dishes with ease. Now, if you're new to sous vide and want an all-in-one setup, the Sous Vide Art Cooker Kit is the way to go. It's not just a sous vide machine, it comes with 15 reusable vacuum bags, a hand pump, sealing clips, the LED touch panel makes setting time and temperature a breeze, and when you're done, the removable tube makes cleaning just as easy. A sous vide machine that's as quiet as it is powerful. With 1,100 watts of heating power and precision temperature control, this immersion cooker circulates water evenly for flawless results. The intuitive dial makes adjustments a breeze, while the large LED display keeps everything clear. Bonus: a dishwasher-safe stainless steel cover for easy cleanup. Clip it onto any pot, set your temperature, and let it work its magic for restaurant-quality meals at home. Get chef-level precision with the Instant Pot Accu Slim. This compact sous vide circulates heated water evenly, ensuring no hot or cold spots. The easy-to-read tilted LED display and color-coded touchscreen make monitoring simple. The quick clamp allows effortless one-handed attachment, while the waterproof design gives you peace of mind. With 800 watts of power, it heats up fast, making gourmet cooking at home easier than ever. Monoprice Sous Vide Immersion Cooker. This 800-watt sous vide cooker features a bright LED touchscreen for precise temperature and time control. The adjustable clamp fits a variety of pots, from 2.6 to 4 gallons, and the 2.25 gallon per minute circulation pump ensures even cooking. Whether you're cooking meat, veggies, or eggs, this immersion cooker makes it foolproof and delicious. Meet the Yedi Infinity, powered by Oxygen technology. Its unique 8-sided design ensures precise water circulation, eliminating cool spots for consistent cooking. With a temperature range of 77 to 203 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 99 hours of cook time, you can prepare anything from steak to chocolate with precision. Plus, it comes with a deluxe accessory kit, including vacuum-sealed bags and sous vide clips. KitchenBoss Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker. Take your cooking to the next level with the KitchenBoss G330. This Wi-Fi enabled sous vide lets you control everything via the Vpcok app, so you can monitor and adjust settings from anywhere. The vibrant touchscreen displays built-in chef recipes, and the ultra-quiet brushless motor ensures a smooth operation. With high-precision thermostat control, stainless steel durability, and IPX7 waterproofing, it's designed for perfection and longevity. BLITZHOME Sous Vide Machine. This is an all-in-one sous vide machine. With a temperature accuracy of 0.1 degrees Celsius and a wide range of 77 to 198.5 degrees Fahrenheit, this immersion cooker delivers consistently tender and flavorful meals. Control it remotely via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and access 30 guided recipes. The durable spiral fixation clamp fits a variety of pots, and that's a wrap. If you're into sous vide cooking, you know that a perfect seal is the key to locking in flavor and juiciness. But not all vacuum sealers are created equal. In this video, I'll show you the best vacuum sealers to keep your food airtight and ready for that perfect sous vide cook. Check this video out.